Hi, buddy.
This is Avalanche.
Hi, Avalanche.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my gosh. It's so fluffy.
Like a big old cloud.
You're a good puppy. You're a good boy. He's so cute. Hey, who else is there? Oh. Over here.
You ever go into our hospital? Sometimes he's there. He has to go to a bad hospital to go volunteer. Yeah.
Move over. Hi, buddy.
Gino, say hi.
Hi, Gino.
Sit.
Hi. Oh. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.
Did you get a bookmark? Or a bookmark?
Sure. You're so cute.
Say thank you. Huh. Say thank you. I always think so too. What about belly rub?
Oh.
No? It's hard to floor. You need to have a bed.
Yeah, I know how you feel. So cute.
Say hi to these guys. Wait.
Is it a girl or boy?
It's a boy. His name's Gino.
Gino.
Yeah.
Good boy.
He's so small. He's small and he's so soft. I think that they're like, I have a Yorkie at home too, and her hair's just not soft like
Yeah, I have a Yorkie.
Okay.
So a dog's named Yorkie.
You're so cute. Hi, buddy.
This is Yogi.
Hi, Yogi.
Weren't they bred for
So,
like lions or something?
no, they were bred to be a working dog on farm. They got tremendous strength and pulling power. They were bred to pull carts.
Maybe I'm thinking of a Rhodesian Ridgeback.
Yeah, they were lions.
They were lions.
They have, this is like named the lion dog because a lot of them, when they have more St. Bernard in that one, stuffed face, they look more like a lion.
So cute.
Beautiful.